Good morning to all. Now going to discuss the topic is backtracking. Backtracking is one of the problem solving strategies. Problem solving strategies already know. What are their means? Greedy method, dynamic programming, backtracking, branch and bound. In backtracking follows brute force approach. Brute force approach means try out all possible solutions and pick up desired solution. It means whatever process, what are the solutions available. First we have to find that solution. Among those solutions, pick up desired one, which is best. We can choose it for the final one. That is the process of brute force approach. Try out all possible solutions and pick up desired solution. It means it contains multiple solutions. Okay. And it is also processed by set of constraints. Constraints means conditions. Okay. Usually have it. If applicable, if we have to follow the constraints, we have to must follow the conditions means we have to apply. We should follow the constraints. After that, we find the solution from that. Constraints contains two types, that is explicit constraint, another one is implicit constraints. Next one is tree organization, that is in backtracking it represents the solutions in form of tree. Solutions represent in form of tree. Tree represent all possible solutions. From that solutions we have to choose it for the final desired solution. And tree organizations we can call solution tree or state space tree. In backtracking method, try out all possible solutions and pick up desired solution. From that part we have to follow the some rules or conditions, that is called constraints. Constraints may be explicit constraints or implicit constraint. In these formations will be represent, that is the solutions represent in form of tree, that is tree structure. Tree represent all possible solutions. That tree structure will be called solution tree or state space tree. Next we will explain the example. Okay. In this example there are three students, that is two boys and one girl. Then we have to arrange that three students arrange in 3 factorial ways. Factorials means 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6 ways, 6 possible ways. We have to arrange these three students. Okay. Constraints means nothing but conditions. Okay. Condition, what is the condition is girl should not sit in the middle. That is 3 students, 2 boys, 1 girl. That is boy 1, boy 2, girl 1. Condition is girl should not sit in the middle. Here not possible for girl. Okay. So girl may be appeared first or may be appeared last. Okay. This is the condition. Girl should not sit in the middle. We have to process the tree organization, that is state space tree. Here starting the solution. Okay. First condition, first possible is I have to arrange boy 1, then boy 2, then girl 1. This is one possible way. Then next one is first boy 1, then boy 2, then girl 1. This is one of the possible way. Likewise boy 1, girl 1, boy 2. Here I didn't follow the constraint, just possible way arrangements. Okay, 6 possible way. So I have to arrange one by one. First way will be a boy 1, boy 2, girl 1, then boy 1, boy 2, girl 1, boy 1, girl 1, boy 2. Then boy 2, boy 1, girl 1. The next possible is boy 2, girl 1, boy 1. Then girl 1, boy 1, boy 2. Then girl 1, boy 2, boy 1. Okay. This is the 6 possible way without considering constraints. Boy 1, boy 2, girl 1. There are 6 possible ways. Next, I have to follow the constraints. What is the constraint? Girl must not sit in the middle. Okay. Here 6 possible. Here girl sit in the middle. So this one is not possible. Likewise this one okay. Here also girl sit in the middle. So this one also not possible. When we follow the constraints, these two not possible for the constraints. So second one, then second way, then as well as fourth one is not possible. So here kill the node, because this constraint is not possible for that our rule. So here boy 1 then girl 1 means we have to kill the node, because this one is not possible. So we have to call the bounding function. Bounding function mainly used for the to kill the node, because this condition is not possible. So we have to kill the node using bounding function. So next possible is 4. This one also using bounding function to kill the node. So we have to possible 6 solutions. From the solutions we must follow the constraints. So we have to choose only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 possible solutions. In backtracking method, the solution expresses an n tuples, that is x1, x2 and so on x1. When in this process xi are chosen for the final. Okay. Here bounding function mainly used for to kill the node. Next one is in backtracking method, one of the problem solving strategies. Likewise, this is the process for backtracking method. Backtracking method follow these process only. Branch and bound are also one of the problem solving strategies, but these two are both follow brute force approach. Branch and bound also follow brute force approach. Backtracking also follow brute force approach. These two also represent state space tree. Branch and bound also represent tree, state space tree, as well as backtracking also represent the solutions represent by state space tree. But difference is in backtracking follow DFS, that is depth first search. In brute force follows branch and bound. Branch on follow BFS. This is the only different for backtracking as well as branch and bound. This is the concept for general method for backtracking. That is, try out all possible solutions and pick up desired solution. This is the general method for backtracking. Thank you.